Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Magical Crystal Ball. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. In a distant village, surrounded by lush greenery, lived a young girl named Alia. Renowned for her endless curiosity, the village was a haven of tranquility. One day, Alia discovered a magical crystal ball in the mysterious forest at the village's edge. The crystal ball floated above a clear stream, emitting a gentle and enchanting glow. Captivated by this miraculous sight, Alia approached cautiously and touched the crystal ball. Suddenly, a warm energy surged through her body. The crystal ball began to project kaleidoscopic images, as if connecting to another mystical realm. Alia widened her eyes, witnessing a breathtaking fairyland where fantastical creatures leaped in joy. Scenes of wonder unfolded before her, leaving her utterly mesmerized. As the radiant glow of the crystal ball gradually faded, Alia found her curiosity and adventurous spirit heightened. She brought this magical crystal ball back to the village and shared her discovery with the villagers. In no time, the village buzzed with curiosity about the crystal ball, and everyone eagerly gathered to witness its marvel. Alia placed the crystal ball in the village's central square, turning it into a treasured gem that attracted villagers each day. The crystal ball not only showcased beautiful scenes, but also seemed to respond to the villagers' wishes. Whenever someone made a heartfelt wish, the crystal ball shimmered with a peculiar radiance, as if signaling that the wish had been heard. Alia became the guardian of the crystal ball, helping villagers understand the messages it conveyed and encouraging them to bravely pursue their dreams. The crystal ball became not just a source of entertainment, but also an inspiration, unlocking the courage and creativity deep within the villagers. As time passed, the village thrived, and the crystal ball became its symbol. People learned to listen to the voices within themselves, facing unknown challenges with courage. The crystal ball witnessed the realization of every dream. Alia understood that the crystal ball was no ordinary gem. It was a link between people and miracles. The once ordinary village became extraordinary because of the crystal ball, and the crystal ball, in turn, became more magical due to the sincere beliefs of the villagers. Thus, Alia and her village lived a happy and enchanting life. And the magical crystal ball continued to sparkle with a kaleidoscope of colors at night, bringing endless miracles to this small world